We will not let this story go. That was our promise to you. 9 days and counting since the satsang at which over 120 people died painful deaths, and there is still no trace of the Hathras self-styled godman Bhole Baba. But that's also because nobody's really looking for him, you see. He hasn't been named in the FIR, so he has a VIP shield despite presiding over a satsang after which 120 of his own devotees perished. Well, since that satsang that claimed over 120 lives, Bhole Baba's past has now come under the radar, and we are the only channel fearlessly exposing every layer. India Today uncovers his not-so-Bhole life in the ashram, where young so-called virgin girls were at Bhole Baba's beck and call. Take a look at the secret life of this so-called godman.
Bhole Baba, whereabouts unknown since the deadly stampede in Hathras. He was the man leading the satsang on July 2nd. Since the tragedy, he's only put out one video statement. Now, his past is catching up with him. India Today has uncovered an unholy side of this self-styled godman. The relationship between him and his female devotees or gopis. Men and women who went to Bhole Baba's satsang have made some sensational revelations. They claim Suraj Pal, aka Bhole Baba, surrounded himself with virgin girls. He would tell these girls that they can see the reflection of God in his sunglasses, which he would wear only during the satsang. The girls were given special red dresses by the satsang organizing committee. These girls in red would then dress up and put makeup and dance around Bhole Baba. Red attire was only for virginal girls.
लड़कियां गहने कपड़े पहनकर नाचती और बाबा के पास कूद कूद के उनने जाली जंगलाने और पहुंच जाती और खूब नाचते हंसते उनने उनके चश्मान में प्रभु दिखाई देवे और खूब नाचे। वो आत्मा उनके पति बना कर रह गई। उनमें टेंट तंबू कचुताने रहते वहीं पे तैयार होती और वहीं पे दरबार में जाती। ड्रेस में जाती, बगैर ड्रेस हमने कोई ये ना घुसन देवे। जो ड्रेस पहन कर रहती वो सज धज कर वही जाती।
Devotees claim only virgins were made Bhole Baba's disciples and that married women were not allowed to meet him.
लड़कियां ही रहती थी कुआरी, ब्याही जो अनपढ़ लड़कियां वो गुरनाम लेती, वो लेडीज जो मतलब उनने अंधविश्वास ने भी भीतर ना हुई ऐसो वो तो वह भोले बाबा के रूप से देखे जिनको नेक भी ना हो।
This not so Bhole Baba also had his own harem. Special bath water would be prepared by the Baba's gopis that had neem and rose petals and would be scented with perfume. The gopis would also feed him.
नीम का पानी से स्नान करता है, लेडीज ही उसे नहलाती हैं, लेडीज ही खिलाती हैं, कपड़े तलाक लेडीज पहनाती हैं। और लेडीजों में भी कुंवारी लड़कियां हैं, ये नहीं कि ब्याही थाई लड़कियां आती हों।
A godman who indulged in most unholy acts. That's Bhole Baba. Bureau Report, India Today.
Not named in an FIR, not questioned by the police, not even named in the Special Investigation Team report under the Yogi Adityanath government. There's still no action against Suraj Pal, aka Narayan Sakar Hari, aka Bhole Baba, the man who was leading the satsang in Hathras moments before that deadly stampede killed 123 people. Well, BSP Chief Mayawati is the first and only UP politician to demand action against Bhole Baba openly. Neither Akhilesh Yadav nor Rahul Gandhi have said a word about him. Yogi Adityanath has referred to him as Sajjan. The rest have simply avoided even mentioning him so far. Is Bhole Baba's caste proving to be a VIP shield?
There is still no trace of Suraj Pal, aka Narayan Sakar Hari, aka Bhole Baba. 123 people were killed at his satsang on 2nd July in Hathras in Uttar Pradesh. A special investigation team probing the deadly tragedy has held the organizers of the satsang primarily responsible, but does not name Bhole Baba. The UP police had earlier said that Bhole Baba will be summoned for interrogation if required. 11 people, including Mukhya Sevadar or head volunteer and main accused Dev Prakash Madhukar, have been arrested so far. Will there be any action against Bhole Baba? BSP chief Mayawati has questioned the SIT report, saying that it is silent on the God man, the main organizer of the deadly incident. She also claims that there is an attempt to give Bhole Baba a clean chit. Mayawati is the first UP politician to publicly demand action against the God man, who belongs to the Jatav community and has influence among SC, ST and OBCs.
भोले बाबा पर इस तरह टारगेट करना, जाति क्या दलित शोषित समाज को भक्ति करने का बिल्कुल अधिकार उन्होंने छीन लिया है। जब वो 30-35 मिनट पहले वहां से विसर्जन करके जा चुके थे, फिर उसके बाद ऐसा कहना बहन मायावती जी बहुत दुखद है और इससे पूरा शोषित वंचित समाज बहुत दुखी है, आहत है।
Samajwadi Party chief and MP Akhilesh Yadav continues to blame the UP government, but is conspicuously silent on Bhole Baba.
अभी जो हाथरस में घटना हुई वो भी प्रशासन का फेलियर था। अधिकारियों के खिलाफ कार्रवाई हुई है और जब कार्रवाई की है सरकार ने, तो सरकार ने स्वीकार किया है कि जब अनुमति दी थी तो अनुमति होने के बाद जो पर्याप्त सुरक्षा, पर्याप्त अधिकारियों का इंतजाम होना चाहिए था, वो सरकार ने नहीं किया।
The UP government too is playing it safe.
किसी को रिपोर्ट पर आपत्ति होती है तो पुनः उस पर विचार किया जाता है। अगर उसको लगता है तो सरकार पर भेजें और उस पर विचार किया जाएगा कि किन बिंदुओं पर कमी रही है, उस बिंदु को सुधारने के लिए फिर से कहा जाएगा।
The SIT report does not rule out conspiracy and recommends an in-depth investigation. It has also found Tehsil-level police and administration guilty. Bureau Report, India Today.